IELTS essay question. Nowadays many business meetings and trainings are happening online and not in real offices. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? In the contemporary professional landscape, the shift toward conducting business meetings and trainings online as opposed to in physical offices has become increasingly prevalent. While this transition offers certain advantages, it is important to weigh them against the accompanying disadvantages. One notable advantage of online meetings and trainings is the enhanced accessibility they provide. Geographical barriers are virtually eliminated, allowing participants from different locations to convene without the need for travel. This not only saves time but also reduces costs associated with transportation and accommodation, contributing to greater efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, the flexibility of online platforms allows for a more diverse range of participants, fostering inclusivity and diversity. Team members or trainees from various regions or even different countries can seamlessly join virtual sessions, leading to a richer exchange of ideas and perspectives. This inclusivity can contribute to a more dynamic and globally aware professional environment. However, the advantages of online meetings must be balanced against certain drawbacks. One significant disadvantage is the potential for technological glitches and connectivity issues, which can disrupt the flow of discussions and compromise the effectiveness of training programs. Moreover, the absence of face-to-face interaction may hinder the development of personal connections and teamwork, as nonverbal cues and spontaneous interactions are limited in virtual settings. For instance, team-building activities and brainstorming sessions may be more challenging to execute effectively online, as the organic flow of ideas can be impeded by the constraints of virtual communication. In conclusion, while online business meetings and trainings offer undeniable advantages in terms of accessibility and inclusivity, the potential drawbacks, such as technological challenges and the absence of in-person interactions, need to be carefully considered. Striking a balance between the benefits and limitations of virtual engagements is essential for optimizing the effectiveness of modern professional practices.